How to get child support. Every parent has a legal duty to provide financial support for their child. Even if you do not get to see your child, or if your child has been placed in foster care, or if your parental rights are terminated, you still can be required to pay child support. If you're a custodial parent, meaning the child is living with you, or you have a court order giving you custody, and there's a non custodial parent, the parent that the child is not living with most of the time, then you are entitled to receive child support from that person. Even if two parents have joint physical custody of their children and equal parenting time, one parent could still be required to pay child support to the other. In Michigan, child support amounts and which parent pays are determined by multiple variables, like how much money each parent makes, how many overnights the child stays with each parent, and how much each parent pays for child care and health insurance for the child. Check out the free child support calculator on the MDHHS website. A custodial parent can seek child support at any point until the child becomes an adult, meaning the child has turned 18, graduated high school, or turns 19 and a half if they are still in high school. A parent gets child support by filing a lawsuit against the other. The other parent is only obligated to pay child support after the court has entered a child support order. The legal process. If you or your child receives public assistance, your MDHHS caseworker must help you start a child support lawsuit free of charge. If you or your child are not receiving public benefits, you'll need to file the lawsuit on your own to ask the court for a child support order. A parent must have established custodial rights to get the child support order. This means that the child is living with them, they have a court order giving them custody, or they are listed as a parent on the child's birth certificate. The other parent must already be established legally as the parent to the child before the court can order them to pay child support, including adoptive parents or presumptive parents. Once the lawsuit is filed, the custodial parent can ask the court to order temporary child support until the full child support investigation can be completed by an official called Friend of the Court. This official and their staff will investigate the finances and living situation of each parent and will make a recommendation to the judge. If the parties agree, it becomes a consent order, and the child support portion of the lawsuit is done. If they don't agree, the parties can file written objections with the judge. The judge will hold a hearing and determine what the final order should be. The child support order will have a start date and the amount that the non-custodial parent must pay each month. If a person does not pay their child support, the court can help you enforce the child support order. For more information, contact Lakeshore Legal Aid or head to Michigan Legal Help.